Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 27, verses 1 to 34. Now the children of Israel after their number, the heads of fathers' households, and the captains of thousands and of hundreds, and their officers who served the king, in any matter of the divisions which came in and went out month by month, throughout all the months of the year of every division were 24,000. 2 over the first division for the first month was Jashubim the son of Zabdiel. In his division were 24,000. 3. He was of the children of Perez, the chief of all the captains of the army for the first month. 4. Over the division of the second month was Dodai the Ahohite and his division, and Mikloth the ruler, and in his division were 24,000. 5. The third captain of the army for the third month was Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada the chief priest. In his division were 24,000. 6. This is that Benaiah, who was the mighty man of the 30 and over the 30. Of his division was Amizabad his son. 7. The fourth captain for the fourth month was Asahel the brother of Joab, and Zebadiah his son after him. In his division were 24,000. 8. The fifth captain for the fifth month was Shamhuth the Israelite. In his division were 24,000. 9. The sixth captain for the sixth month was Ira the son of Ikish the Tekoite. In his division were 24,000. 10. The seventh captain for the seventh month was Helez the Pelonite of the children of Ephraim. In his division were 24,000. 11. The eighth captain for the eighth month was Sibbecai the Hushathite of the Zerahites. In his division were 24,000. 12. The ninth captain for the ninth month was Abiezer the Anathothite of the Benjamites. In his division were 24,000. 13. The 10th captain for the 10th month was Maharai the Netophathite of the Zerahites. In his division were 24,000. 14. The 11th captain for the 11th month was Benaiah the Pirathonite of the children of Ephraim. In his division were 24,000. 15. The 12th captain for the 12th month was Heldai the Netophathite of Othniel. In his divisions were 24,000. 16. Furthermore, over the tribes of Israel. Of the Reubenites, Eliezer the son of Zikri was the ruler. Of the Simeonites, Shephatiah the son of Maisachi. 17. Of Levi, Hasabiah the son of Kemuel. Of Aaron, Zadok. 18. Of Judah, Elihu, one of the brothers of David. Of Issachar, Amri the son of Michael. 19. Of Zebulun, Ishmaiah the son of Obadiah. Of Naphtali, Jeremoth the son of Azrael. 20. Of the children of Ephraim, Hoshea the son of Azaziah. Of the half-tribe of Manasseh, Joel the son of Pedaiah. 21. Of the half-tribe of Manasseh in Gilead, Edo the son of Zechariah. Of Benjamin, Yasiel the son of Abner. 22. Of Dan, Azarel the son of Jeroham. These were the captains of the tribes of Israel. 23. But David didn't take the number of them from 20 years old and under, because the Lord had said he would increase Israel like the stars of the sky. 24. Joab the son of Zeruiah began to take a census, but didn't finish. And wrath came on Israel for this. The number wasn't put into the account in the Chronicles of King David. 25. Over the king's treasures was Asmaveth the son of Adiel. Over the treasures in the fields, in the cities, in the villages, and in the towers was Jonathan the son of Uzziah. 26. Over those who did the work of the field for tillage of the ground was Ezri the son of Shelem. 27. Over the vineyards was Shimei the Ramathite. Over the increase of the vineyards for the wine cellars was Zabdi the Shitmite. 28. Over the olive trees and the sycamore trees that were in the lowland was Baal-Hanan the Gederite. Over the cellars of oil was Joash. 29. Over the herds that fed in Sharon was Shitrai the Sharonite. Over the herds that were in the valleys was Shaphat, the son of Adli. 30 over the camels was Obal the Ishmaelite. Over the donkeys was Jediah the Meronothite. Over the flocks was Jaziz the Hagrite. 31. All these were the rulers of the property, which was King David's. 32. Also Jonathan, David's uncle, was a counselor, a man of understanding, and a scribe. Jehiel the son of Hashmoni was with the king's sons. 33. Ahithophel was the king's counselor. Hushai the Archite was the king's friend. 34. After Ahithophel was Jehoiada, the son of Benaiah, and Abiathar. Joab was the captain of the king's army. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 27, verses 1 to 34. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.